What's up? What's up, my YouTube family? Hi, guys. How's everybody doing? I hope fine. I'm doing fine, guys. Guys, I have a Dungeness crab. I haven't done seafood in a little while for you guys, but yes, here we go. The hands, the arms, whatever, those things fell off while it was boiling. But look how big he is. All right, I was trying to do a thumbnail, y'all. If y'all didn't know, if y'all didn't know, but yeah, look how big he is. So like, I put him in the pot. He was like, ah! He went crazy. He went crazy, and that's how he looks now. Okay, and of course, guys, y'all know I got my butter, Orlando Lake. I ain't gonna say no more. I'm not gonna say no more. Okay, I'm gonna say it. It's real butter, y'all. It's not margarine. It's real butter. Orlando Lake butter, salted. Y'all see all that on the bottom? That's that good stuff right there. And of course, I have ooh, my frosty mug. What you know about it? Y'all know. I know. For real, I hope everybody is having a great day, great week, great New Year's, guys. I hope everybody's 2023 so far is great. Yeah, I steamed it with the usual salt, pepper, garlic, and some butter. And it tastes good. I definitely could taste the seasoning inside of it. And also, because I got Orlando Lake butter, salted. That gives it so much flavor. That butter is so good. Mmm. Oh, that splashed me in my face. I hear somebody in the hallway. Hope they don't come knocking on my door. I don't want no company. Mm-mm. It's so good. Mmm. Mm. Guys, I've been thinking about them king crab legs. Not the king crab legs, but the whole king crab. Oh, I need one. One of those big old crabs. They're like $400. They're like $400. Mm, I'm getting one. I can't afford no $400 crab. That's outrageous for just a crab. But you know what? I'm getting one with my tax money. I am getting one. I'm getting one of those crabs. I know I'm not gonna eat it all, but I know it's gonna be good, and I'm gonna get it fresh. It's gonna. Oh, I'm telling you guys, I've been just thinking about it. I can't wait. Mhm. Mhm. Guys, let me know in the comments if you would spend $400 on a crab. Mm. 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 Guys, it's too good. That got me real good. I feel like I should have got a bigger crab. I should have. Guys, let me tell y'all something funny. From sitting on there, it's like a fold up bench thing I'm sitting on. And before I played the video, I fell. It wasn't, the thing collapsed. Bronca, you broke the chair. I didn't break the chair. Excuse me, I didn't open it up all the way. That was funny. No, I actually wouldn't have mind if it would have happened on the video. Y'all could have seen that. It was funny though. I thought the thing like just rolled it, broke in half, but the legs just were clamped right. Ooh, this has a toothpick. Got it. Don't try this at home, y'all. I wouldn't suggest y'all to really use y'all teeth like how I be doing. I ain't got some good teeth. I gotta stop though. Getting older. My teeth are getting older. And then I'm gonna bite into one of these claws. I'm gonna take my teeth with me. What's so good? Hi, baby.
Hi.
I'm gonna drop some meat on the floor. Guys, I got some ostrich steak. And it looks like beef. We cook it like beef. It's not beef. It's a bird. Let's splash my shirt. That was good. That was good. Mm, mm-mm. That got me somewhere on my forehead. I felt that. I felt it. Mm. Mm. Wow. Mm. That was really good. I'm about to eat this body. Ouch. I poked myself. Mm. That was gonna be a lot. I don't know. I kind of want to drink this juice, y'all. Look, y'all. Y'all can't see that juice in here. Ah, I don't know about that. But look, y'all. I don't know. I drank it before. Excuse me. Oh man, that water is good. I really love water, y'all. I love water so much. I'm gonna pick these lungs. I think this is what this stuff right here is lungs. But there's a lot of good meat inside this rib cage here. Hold up. Wait a minute. All right. We're breaking a hair. Oh, it's gonna splash all over me. Oh, that wasn't bad. Oh yes, look at this big piece of meat right here. I'm about to pull out. No. Oh, let me get it all the way. Hold up. That's a lot. It didn't come out how I thought it was gonna come out. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. It's good. It's not coming out how I want it to. But let's tell you, this is good. Ooh, sorry, y'all didn't hear that. mm. Oh yeah. I want to go to the casino tonight. I haven't been to the casino definitely over a year. Our casino right here up the street. What's up? We're so close. I'm actually proud of myself because I thought I was gonna be in the casino every day, even if I had $5. I was gonna go in and gamble that $5 off. That's what I said when they started to build it. I was like, oh my God, I'm gonna be there every day. And I got a gambling problem. This is so good. It's not enough though. It's not enough for me. I want another one. I hope when I do get the king crab, the whole big live king crab, I'm gonna try my hardest to eat the whole thing. I know it's a lot of meat, but like if I had it right now, I would have been able to do it. I would have been able to do it. I got an appetite right now. I got a good appetite right now. I'm thinking of what else I'm about to eat. But like I said too, I got that ostrich steak. I'm definitely gonna do that. I'm gonna do it sometime tonight. So I don't know if I'm gonna upload it today with this video. I know I'm gonna upload this video like right after I'm done. And probably give it like an hour or two, and then make my ostrich steak. This is good. God, man. I love seafood. I don't know who was the person that said, let me try this here. But thank you. Man. Seafood is so good. Mm. 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 That's that butter. That's that butter, baby. Mm. 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 It's so good. I'm telling you, I got quiet for a second. I got real focus on it. No, it happens sometimes. Food is so good. We know what's going on around you. All right, let me look at this meat. Look at this meat, y'all. God, look at the meat. That's all meat right there. That's all meat right there. Look at this freaking meat. Mm. Excuse me. Mm. Oh my gosh, look at this meat right here. That's a lot of meat, y'all. It's a lot of meat right here. Look at meat. Oh man, so good. Mm. Yeah, it's good. All right. My last bite right here. I want a lot of butter on it. Mm. Oh, oh. Oh my God. I want some more. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. Oh, that was so good, y'all. I'm not even full. I want some more food. I'm actually pretty greedy right now, y'all. I'm pretty greedy. I got the munchies, y'all. I just thought, no, that wasn't enough. Guys, if nobody told you today that they love you, let me be the first to tell you guys, I love you, you. I love each and every one of you guys. I appreciate you guys so, so, so much. Guys, oh, and by the way, guys, if you haven't yet, can you subscribe, please? So you don't miss anything. Because you never know what your girl going to come up with. Because I'll be having some crazy stuff. You know, I might be at the right place at the right time. So you never know. And your girl ain't backing down from anything. I want it all. Well, I don't want no live bugs, okay? I'll eat bugs, but just not live. Guys, love you.